Hey everyone out there, I'm sure you're familiar with the term FMLA, and if not, what does FMLA stand for? It stands for Family Medical Leave Act. Governor Murphy recently signed the bill A3975, which changed FMLA for both employers and employees included. So Christina, if you could just elaborate a little bit what the bill changed, and I'm sure there's some huge changes going on out there.
Of course, so some of the changes include expansion of family members beyond just blood relatives.
Wow, so just beyond blood relatives, it includes much more than that.
Yeah, so
okay.
The person no longer has to be a blood relative, so if you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend, fiance, those are
Just
all
like
now
that.
allowed to be used.
Great, what else?
Bonding with the newborn is no longer available if only the employer agrees, which means that if you have a baby, you no longer have to go through your employer if you want to stay and bond with your newborn. You
Which is
can
important.
just take it.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
they should get to know their dads.
Yeah.
Okay.
And their mothers, of course.
Of course.
Reduced schedule leave, you can now receive benefits up to 12 consecutive months instead of 24 weeks. Employees are no longer required to take PTO instead of family leave. This is a big one because a lot of employers were making employees take their PTO time before they were able to take their family leave. And now they don't need to take their PTO. They can save that up and use it later on, or they can use it and stay out longer with their baby if they'd like to, or if someone's sick or any reasons you need it. Starting July 1st, 2020, employees are now able to take 12 weeks from 6 weeks. It's doubled. Their maximum benefits increased to 85% of their weekly wage.
With a cap.
With a cap, obviously.
Okay.
And then employees can take 56 days intermediate leave instead of just 42 days. So that also increased.
That's huge changes.
Yep.
Okay.
So how about you help us out with the health insurance? What happens
sure.
if you're getting insurance through your job?
Yeah, so that's always been the case where health insurance is required. You're required to continue paying the health insurance. It's not like COBRA. So employees are required to continue an employee's insurance coverage under the company's group health insurance under FMLA leave. Now, employees must continue to pay their share of the premium, obviously, if any, unless an employee is using paid time off during FMLA leave. So it's required to continue their share. So for example, for premium, it's $500 a month for a single, and then it's 50% contribution. The employees on FMLA, they got to continue paying the $250.
Okay. Now what happens if the employee doesn't return? Like what happens to the employer?
Exactly. So this doesn't return, and there's also, what about paying during FMLA? How are you going to collect that money?
Yeah.
So we'll discuss both of these. And the number one is how you're going to collect that money. An employee should notify their employee how to pay the portion of the premium. Some employers ask for for the employees to write a check up front, during the FMLA, so they collect the check weekly during FMLA, and some will collect it. They'll have them sign a form. We'll collect it half before and half when they return.
So basically, it's up to the employer and the employee to make what works best for both.
Yeah, what works best, and it's always good to work it out beforehand, like this. We're all on the same page. But most will definitely play catch up when they return. So when they return, it will most likely be deducted of their full check for back whatever it was 6 weeks. And if they don't return, then obviously it's important that you put them on COBRA, which we can discuss in another episode how that works with COBRA. But definitely the employee is responsible at the end of the day. So you know which TPA to use, questions about FMLA and how to administer, and it all ties into health insurance employee benefits.
Absolutely. So secure yourself for the unexpected and give us a call at 732-363-3888. Thank you.